now guys, I already started to put my oil here. So let's start to saute our onion. Our garlic. Let's mix it until golden brown again. So guys, I'm cooking with a medium heat, okay? That's medium heat. Wait until the garlic is gonna be golden brown, okay? So that's okay now. Let's add our meat. Cook our meat for about at least 10 minutes. Like this. I normally do that. So let's wait and cover it. Okay. Let's cover it. Go. Let's add black pepper. Okay. Mix it. Add this, okay? Mix them all together. And let's add water. Let's add water. And that's it. Let it boil. Boil for another 30 minutes. Okay, guys. Here's the main ingredients, okay? So, tomato paste. I will put it first before the 30 minutes ends. So, I'm adding the tomato paste now. Let's put the whole so I add the tomato paste before the 30 minutes ends up. So there you go. That's our. So now I'm pretty sure that the potatoes are cooked now. Yep, you can tell. So let's add salt to taste, okay? So I normally do that, guys. I'm adding salt for now. So let's add another like five minutes. Okay.